Alright, so today I'll be doing this 2001 Chevy Malibu front brake pad replacement. Let me get this car all jacked up, get my stuff all situated, and I'll be right back. Alright, so once you get your car all jacked up on the Malibu or whatever, you gotta get off this center cap right here. So grab yourself a flat blade screwdriver and kind of just pop it off so you can get to those lug nuts. 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna take these 5 nuts off, and I'll be right back. All right, so once you get the car all jacked up and take the 5 lug nuts off, you got these 2 bolts back here. These are both 12s. These are way smaller than what I'm used to dealing with. So I'm gonna take these 2 12s off, and I'm gonna get this caliper off. I'm gonna show y'all what to do after that, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I ended up just taking the top one off because you could just slide it down. I hella forgot about that. But just a small little bolt like that. So you just slide the old ones out. It's kind of hard to do this. See, yeah, see, hers still had a little bit of pad on it. A little bit though, not all too much. Yeah, it was getting low, man. And grab your new ones. Let me just show you how to comparison. Grab your new ones like this and just slide them back in. I'm gonna show y'all how that works. So let me get these out the package and I'll be right back. All right, and also don't forget your caliper pusher so that when you put the new brake pad in there, let me show you how this works. All right, sorry about that, but this is how you set it up. Got this from O'Reilly's. You just kind of set it in there like that and just grab the handle and keep going until it's all the way pushed back or whatever. You got to do this so that your new brake pads will fit in when you put them in there. So once you do that, I'm gonna show y'all how the brake pad slides in. So I'll be right back.